Hello, good afternoon to all. Welcome to my Salesforce solution channel. Today I'm going to teach you the another Salesforce interview question. The second interview question is that how to validate the account email when the account record is updated. Means we have to validate the account email whenever the account record is updated. Okay, so here we can do it by using the validation rule. So let's do that. How we can achieve this functionality? Go to our Salesforce org. Okay, so in contact, okay, let's take account on in account. So whenever we are updating the email field, here we have email field. So whenever we are updating the email field, the validation rule will fire. We have to take the email field. We don't want to take the take as it blank. Okay, so let's do it. Now go to the account, then we have to go into the validation rule, edit offset. Validation rules. Okay, here is my another validation rule, but it's not active. Let's create one validation rule. Okay, validate email field. Okay, so guys, here, okay, first I have to write the validation rule, then I will explain it properly. Okay, so here I am taking the AND function because we are checking two conditions here. We are checking if the email field is blank, or if the record is creating, if the record is new creating, or it's updating. Okay, so here we are checking two condition, when the email is blank or the record is updating. Okay, so that's why we are taking here the AND function. Here we have all functions like and date function. If includes many functions Salesforce given to us, but here we want to take the AND function because we are checking the two condition here. AND function. Okay, so we are to here we get the logical and logical to expression. We are taking the two conditions, so that's why we are taking here AND condition, AND function, sorry. Okay, then we are checking if the email is blank or not. Okay, so we are checking if the email field is blank or not. So for that we have to use ISBLANK function. Sorry. Okay, let's take it here ISBLANK function. Okay, so ISBLANK function, we have to check the field account email field. So we have to take here the field account email. It is the custom field, so that's why it is underscore c. And second condition we are checking here, if our field we are checking here if we are create if whenever it will fire only whenever we are updating the records. So that's why we are checking the ISNEW function. Okay. Okay, so here we are is new function is basically used for the whenever we are creating a new record, but whenever we are fire the validation rule on the update, whenever the record is updated we want to fire the validation rule on the record updation only. So for that we have to use here not function. Not here. Okay, then we have to write the ISNEW function is intact. Okay, I will write down it, then I will explain. Okay. Then let's check the checkbox if our formula is correct or not. Someone is missing. Okay. Something is missing. What it's missing? Email field. Why it is not taking? Okay, let's take another. Okay, yeah. Here I have missed one curly bracket. Okay. So here our formula is correct. Then let's take the error message. Please enter the email field. Okay, and here I want to display the error message at top of the page or field. Here I am checking only top of the page. Okay, then click on save. Okay, then let's go to the account. Here I am updating the test account. Here the phone field is, we said that's blank. Okay, then let's save. Yes, it will show the error. Please enter the email field. Okay, so please enter the email field. gmail.com. Okay, save. But whenever we are creating the new account, then here I am set as field, email field as blank. Okay, and I'm clicking save. It's save because we are creating a validation rule when only on the record is updated. So that's why we are getting the error message on updating the records. Let's take one example also on updation here. Okay, here I'm taking the Nikhil. Here I'm checking the email feed. Email feed is here already blank. Let's save it. Yes, please enter the email field. Okay, okay, direct gmail.com. Okay, save. Okay, yes. So then here we can, according to that, so restrict the validation rule, restrict the field by using the validation rule. So I'm explaining the now I'm explaining the formula. Okay, so listen guys, here we are taking the AND function. AND function, suppose AND. Okay, so AND function is basically used for the if the two condition is correct, means two condition is true, then it will return the true value and it will show the it will fire the validation rule only if the first and second condition is true. But when the first condition is true and the second condition is false, then it will not show the error message, means it will not fire the validation rule, because the formula will return to the will return the false value. So that's why we AND function are going to check two conditions, first condition also and the second condition also. Okay, then here we are taken here the is blank function. Is blank function is basically used for the if we want to. Okay, is blank function is basically used for the blank field values. If you want to show the error message on the email field, so that's we easily set is blank and the email field. So easily we can restrict the email, validate the email field by using the is blank function. So here it will means it will return the value of true or false. If we it will also return the value of true or false. Means is blank function is basically used for the blank field values. Okay, and then going to the not function. Okay, first I am explaining the ISNEW function. It's new. Okay, so here ISNEW function is basically used for the if the record is new and we are going to create a new record, then it will fire the validation rule and it will return the value as a true. But if we are means it not it is not showing the error when the validation rule is we are going to update. But whenever we are taking the not function here, so we and whenever taking here the not function here, so not function is basically check if the record is new. The record is not new, so that's why we are taking here not function, because not function is checking if means if it means the is the it basically replace the value, means it is another means it will checking if the new record, if the new record is that is new record. Okay, it's a new record. If and if we are taking the not function, then it will means return the true value and it will show the error message. It is not a new value, means it is updating the records, it is not creating the records. So for that we are so for that we have used here not function. Okay, so according to this, we can achieve this functionality by using the validation rule. Okay, click on save. Okay, so let's take another example here. Suppose I want to validate. Okay, phone number. It's simply as like insert the AND function. Okay, first condition is we are checking the phone. Let's take is blank. Phone field, insert field, phone. Then second condition here. Second condition here we are checking the ISNEW. Okay. ISNEW, and here we are checking the AND function, not function, sorry. Because we want to fire the validation rule on updating the records. Okay, let's check the formula. It is correct. Please enter the phone. Okay, I want to show the error message top of the page. Click on save. Okay, phone number. Go to the accounts. Update one account. Okay, here phone field is blank. Then we are saving. Here we get the error message. Please enter the phone number. And if we are taking the email also blank, then what will happen? It also show the error. Okay, yeah. Here we get the two error messages: the email field also and the phone. Okay, so we have to take the phone number. We have to put the email also. Okay, click on save. Okay, yes. So guys, according to this, we can solve this problem by using the validation rule. Okay, so if you like my video and if you get the better solution, so please subscribe my channel and do follow me, do support me, and thanks for watching. Thank you.